Hello and thanks for joining us on Comcast Newsmakers. I'm Antoinette Esser. We're talking about the Rural Health Community Outreach Program at the McGuire VA Medical Center, and joining us to talk about it is Des Scott. He's the Rural Health Public Affairs at McGuire VA Medical Center. Welcome to our program.
Thank you for having me.
Tell me a little bit about the Rural Health Public Affairs Department and what it is that you do.
Rural Health is a new initiative that the VA has rolled out. We're about 6 months into it. And the purpose of the Rural Health Initiative is to reach our men and women that have served in the military, that are living in rural areas of Virginia, that don't have access to medical facilities and medical care in the rural areas. So as the Rural Health Mobile Team, we go out into rural communities to service our veterans. We provide health education and enrollment services to those men and women.
Now, is it because they don't know that they qualify, that they're living without?
Part of it is that they are unaware that they're eligible for VA health care benefits. And this initiative aims to bring awareness in those communities and also to get them enrolled for health care benefits.
And so once you find them, what happens next?
Once we find a veteran that is eligible for VA health care benefits, then we enroll them for care. So they come to McGuire Medical Center and they're able to see a primary care physician to take care of all of their medical needs.
Now, who qualifies?
That's a great question. Eligibility continues to change. If there are National Guard members or reservists that have been deployed overseas, we want to talk to you. If they're OEF and OIF, Iraq and Afghanistan, men and women who are transitioning from off of active duty, we're looking for you as well because, again, we want to get you enrolled for health care benefits.
So does it matter the years that have passed or how many years they were in, how many years they've been out?
Yep. We have enrollment specialists that are available for questions from 8 o'clock in the morning to 5 o'clock in the evening. And if they're called the number, we have specialists that can help them with eligibility and requirements.
And so let's talk about some of the areas, the service areas.
We cover over 51 cities and counties throughout rural Virginia. We're in the Northern Neck, we're out in Halifax, we're out in Westmoreland, Orange County. We cover a lot of area. And basically what we want to do, again, is to find our men and women who have served in the military and are unaware that they're eligible for VA health care benefits.
So you have a lot of ground to cover here.
Yes, we have quite a bit of ground to cover. To our east is Hampton VA Medical Center, and to our west is Salem VA Medical Center, and in between is Richmond McGuire Medical Center. So we cover quite a bit of ground.
How important is it to find these veterans?
It's very important to us. They've served their country, they've earned health care benefits, and we want to make sure that they receive what they're eligible for.
Now, how can the community help? There are some community partners that might be interested.
Great question. There are community partners that we look to partner up with. Our VSOs, our Veteran Service Organizations, which are the American Legions, the VFWs, the DAVs. We look to them to help us with local marketing because they have a footprint in these communities that we're going to. We also look for nonprofits, other agencies that are servicing our men and women who have served, as well as we attend the fairs and festivals that are held throughout all of Virginia.
Lots of churches too have veterans.
Absolutely, lots of churches. We touch on churches. We reach out to them. We put press releases in the local newspapers when we're coming. So if there's a nonprofit that's having an event and would like us to come out, we will only be too happy to do so. And
before we run out of time, the website that folks can get information.
Yep, www.va.gov.
And is there a phone number as well?
Area code 803.
804.
804 675 4763.
6746. I've got it.
Okay.
Yes. Well, thank you so much. We appreciate you coming to give us the information.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
You're welcome. Thank you. And we've been talking with Des Scott. He is the Rural Health Public Affairs with the McGuire VA Medical Center. And thank you for joining us on Comcast Newsmakers. I'm Antoinette Esser.